Okay, so many leaders have been asking me how to set up a PLC within the TfEL Compass tool. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. And this is my first time trying the flipped approach, so I'm looking forward to getting some feedback at the end of this. So the first thing that you do if you want to set up a PLC within the TfEL Compass tool, and you might like to set up a PLC for a lot of different reasons, but I know a couple of leaders are looking at using the PLC function within their learning areas so they can collate TfEL Compass data in relation to the learning area that they're looking at. So the first thing you do is you actually go, once you've signed into the TfEL Compass tool, you go to My Surveys, and you'll normally access this page once you've set up a survey and you want to go and see the data that's collected. The PLC function actually sits down the right hand side of this page. So to create a TfEL PLC group, all you do is click Create PLC Group. You then need to give your PLC a name. So I'm going to call mine Science Faculty PLC, and then you click Save. And then automatically you will see your Science Faculty PLC turn up within that page that you were on before. So to be able to share this PLC with the people in your faculty, you'll notice a unique sharing code. All you'll need to do is to give them a copy of this code, and then all they do when they want to join it is they go back to this page, click Join a PLC Group, enter the code, click Save, and they have successfully joined the PLC group. So once you've set up your PLC group and you have your faculty members contributing to the PLC group and willing to share their data, you can access the data in this very same way in which you access your normal individual Compass data. So the way that you'll see your data is again represented in a polar map. And if we remember, the polar map is interactive. So if you, for example, want to find out what 4.1 means, it will actually give you a description of what the essence of 4.1 is, give you some indicators about that, what that might look like in the classroom, and then it gives you some ways forward or some suggestions for developing your practice. The thing with the PLC group though is that you can't actually access the open-ended questions. You can only access the polar maps, and that's to maintain the confidentiality. So now that should give you enough information that you need to get your PLC group started, and to show people how they can access your PLC group, and to get you started on looking at combined faculty polar map data. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to give me some feedback.